You sign your first enterprise contract and then you try to scale and everything broke. Why? Because the architecture was never designed for what scale actually demands. Your MVP was optimized for one thing, proving the core idea works. Fast to build, light on infrastructure, good enough for a pilot. But the decision made under that pressure, how data is stored, how systems integrate, how the product handles thousands of concurrent users, create technical debt that becomes exponentially more expensive to fix later. Performance degrades under real load. Data pipelines that worked in a controlled environment can handle the messiness of real patient data at volume. Security controls that were good enough for a pilot fail enterprise security. As the product grew, they knew the architecture needed to change. IoT connectivity was redesigned for reliable at scale. The entire user experience was rebuilt from scratch, prioritizing simplicity for medical professionals who need the device to work correctly every time. If it had been patched instead of rebuilt, the product would have failed under enterprise load. Wave successfully relaunched and is widely used by medical professionals across the US. The fix isn't to over-engineer MVP, it's to make more explicit decisions and what you're deferring, and build a scalability roadmap before the first enterprise contract is signed, not after. The teams that navigate this well treat their MVP architecture as a set of deliberate trade-offs with known expiration dates. They know which decisions will need revisiting at 10x scale, and they plan for that conversation before it becomes a crisis. Because by the time you're in a signed contract with a health system, it's too late to say your architecture needs 6 months of refactoring.